So here it is. Yesterday we have done what is the difference between natural and man-made things. Today we are going to see some examples of machines. What are machines? Machines are man-made thing. Machines क्या है? Machine man-made thing है और machine एक non-living thing है. What is non-living thing? Non-living thing means the things which cannot sense, which cannot eat, which cannot move. Those are known as non-living things. Okay. See in page number 6, some examples are given. Examples of different machines are given. They are car, washing machine, scissor, television, refrigerator, bicycle. This all thing we see in our home also. We have washing machine in our homes. We have television, that is TV. We have television in our home. We have scissors in our home. Bicycles, you all also ride bicycles, the small bicycles. So these all things are machine. Okay. Now, let's come to features of machine. What the word means feature? Feature means quality. Okay. What are the characteristics of machine? What are the features of machine? Let's see what are they. Number one is a machine is used to do special work. So why do we use machine? We use machine to do some special work. Special work means the work which make the work more easier और ज़्यादा आसान कर देता हो हमारे काम को, इसीलिए हम मशीन यूज करते हैं. Some machines work with the help of humans. There are some machines like scissor, like knife, like staplers. These all are also machines. So these machines work with the help of human. Human means we all living things. Okay? तो कुछ मशीन ऐसे हैं जो ह्यूमन के हेल्प से काम करते हैं. Next, some machines work on fuel. Excuse me. Fuel means petrol, diesel. These all are known as fuel. So there are some machines. Everyone sit properly and concentrate in the class. No talking. Some machines work on fuel. जैसे car. Then we have motorbikes. These all work on fuel. Some machines work on electricity. कुछ machines ऐसे भी होते हैं जिसे हम electricity के help से use करते हैं. जैसे we have refrigerator, we have washing machine, we have mixer grinders. These all are used with the help of electricity. Okay. Next, computer a smart machine. Why do we call computer a smart machine? See, there is a picture given. This is the picture of computer. कंप्यूटर नीड्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू वर्क. जब भी आप कंप्यूटर चलाते हो तो आपको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लगती है कंप्यूटर चलाने के लिए, बिकॉज यू स्विच ऑन द कंप्यूटर स्विच, देन द यूपीएस, देन द सीपीयू. So where from it is getting the energy? It is getting the energy from electricity. It is a man-made thing. Computer is a non-living thing and hence it is a man-made thing. It is a machine. What is a computer? A computer is a machine. It makes our work more easier. It can do many things very quickly. So with the help of machine, we can do many works and we can do it very quickly. It can do mathematical calculations. Computers can even do mathematical means maths, plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, and all type of calculations a computer can do. It can store information. What is an information? The important things which you need to store, which you need to save. So a computer can store different type of informations. Now let's see what we have learned. We have learned that natural things are made by nature. What are the natural things like tree, bird, butterfly? These all are made by nature. A computer machine makes our work easier and faster. So a machine, what a machine does? A machine make our work more easy. मतलब आसान कर देता है. एक मशीन हमारे काम को आसान कर देता है और फास्टर कर देता है. वी कैन डू इट वेरी फास्ट. अ कंप्यूटर इज अ मशीन. अ कंप्यूटर नीड्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू वर्क. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर. Now students, quickly take out your pencil. Everyone, quickly take out your pencil. I will be dictating the answer of A and B. You will mark it in the book. Okay? Everyone should take out their pencil. Take your pencil. Sab pencil le lo. Take your pencil and let's start. See, the first one is write T for true and F for false. Okay, see a blank is given. You have to write T, capital letter T if it is true and capital letter F if it is false. Okay. Now the first question is, machine runs only on electricity. This is false. There are some machines which is run by human being also. It has, with the help of human and with the help of fuel, we run machine. So write F. Right? The answer of one is F. Now next. Machines are made by man. It is true. Write T. Right? T. Next. Computer is not a machine. It is false. Right? F. Right? F. Next. We are surrounded by natural and man-made things. It is true. Write T. Next, a machine make our work easier and faster. True. Write T. Okay, see in the screen, I'm writing here also. The first one is F. The second one is true. The third one is F. The fourth one is true. And the last one is also true. Okay, match the answers. Now, okay, now we will do the next one. See, take the correct answer. We will do this one. Take the correct answer. So see, some pictures are given to you. So, which of the following is man-made thing? There are three pictures given to you. A picture of tree, a picture of camera, and a picture of flower. So, among these pictures, which one is man-made thing? Camera. Camera is a man-made thing. Tick on the camera. Give a tick mark on the camera. Okay. Next. Next is, excuse me, which machine is used to keep things cool? That means कौन सी machine चीजों को ठंडा रखने में help करती है? There are three options. Options are washing machine, television, or refrigerator. Your right answer is refrigerator. Okay, tick on the refrigerator. Next, which of the following is a machine? See, there are options given: car, cow, and flower. So which of the following is a machine? Car is a machine. Give tick mark in the car. Next, which machine is used to mix the things? इनमें से कौन सी मशीन मिक्स करने मतलब एक साथ मिलाने में हेल्प करती है? The options are microwave, mixer grinder, and television. The right option is mixer grinder. Tick in the mixer grinder. Now, which machine is found outside a house? कौन सी मशीन इनमें से हमें घर के बाहर मिलती है? Your options are microwave. So your options are bus, television, and microwave. The right option is bus. Okay. Okay, I show the answer once more. So the first answer is camera. Okay, give a tick like this. Give a tick in the camera. I'm turning the page. The second question answer is refrigerator. Give a tick in the refrigerator. The third one is car. Give a tick in the car. The fourth one is mixer grinder. Give a tick in the mixer grinder. And the fifth one is bus. Give a tick in the bus. Okay. Okay.